सर्व सुख गोडी साही शास्त्र निवडी, रिकामा अर्ध घडी राहू नको, रिकामा अर्ध घडी राहू नको, रिकामा अर्ध घडी राहू नको. लटिका व्यवहार सर्व हा संसार, वाया येर झार हरी वीण, वाया येर झार हरी वीण, वाया येर झार हरी वीण. नाम मंत्र जप कोटी जाईल पाप, राम कृष्णी संकल्प धरुनी राहे, राम कृष्णी संकल्प धरुनी राहे, राम कृष्णी संकल्प धरुनी राहे. निज वृत्ती काढी सर्व माया तोडी, इंद्रिया सवडी लंपू नको, इंद्रिया सवडी लंपू नको, इंद्रिया सवडी लंपू नको. तीर्थव्रती भाव धरी रे करुणा, शांती दया पाहुणा हरी करी, शांती दया पाहुणा हरी करी, शांती दया पाहुणा हरी करी. ज्ञान देवा प्रमाण निवृत्ती देवी ज्ञान, ज्ञान देवा प्रमाण निवृत्ती देवी ज्ञान, ज्ञान देवा प्रमाण निवृत्ती देवी ज्ञान. समाधी संजीवन हरी पाठ, समाधी संजीवन हरी पाठ, समाधी संजीवन हरी पाठ.
हरी मुखे भरा, 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 हरी मुखे भरा. पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी.
In the first stanza of this Abhang, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that all happiness and sweetness are present in the name of Shri Hari, as proclaimed by the 6 scriptures. Therefore, constantly serve and chant the name of Shri Hari. Don't waste even a moment without Shri Hari's name. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says that the worldly dealings and attachments are all false and illusory, and those who get entangled in them will not be freed from the cycle of birth and death. Even if they attain human birth, it will be in vain, and the soul will remain trapped in the cycle of birth and death. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj emphasizes the importance of chanting Shri Hari's name, saying that by doing so, one's countless sins will be destroyed. Therefore, make a firm resolve to constantly chant the name of Rama and Krishna. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that by practicing remembrance and chanting of Shri Hari's name, one can break free from the 3 bonds of Maya and withdraw their mind from external attachments, focusing solely on the inner self. Don't indulge your senses and neglect Shri Hari and your inner self. In the 5th stanza, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that while performing vows and pilgrimages, cultivate a compassionate and devotional attitude in your mind. Have faith and always maintain peace, compassion, and kindness in your heart. Then Shri Hari will manifest and reside there. In the final stanza, Sri Dnyaneshwar Maharaj says that the knowledge imparted by his Guru Sri Nivruttinath is his guiding principle. He asserts that chanting Sri Hari's name is akin to achieving a state of pure and eternal samadhi, which he can confidently proclaim based on his Guru's teaching. Therefore, chant Sri Hari's name all the time. Hari mukhe म्हणा, पुण्याची गणना कोण करी.
हरी मुखे म्हणा हरी